Artificial intelligence, or AI, is poised to fundamentally reshape the economic landscape over the next 10 to 15 years. While its potential to drive innovation and efficiency is widely recognized, it also presents significant challenges, particularly in terms of job displacement and social disruption. This essay explores which sectors and jobs are likely to become obsolete or undergo severe transformation due to AI, examines how this will alter the reality of work, and discusses the social problems and disruptions that are likely to arise from these changes. Let's delve into the sectors and jobs most at risk. Starting with manufacturing and production, this sector has been one of the first to experience the impact of automation and AI. Robots and AI-driven machines are increasingly taking over repetitive and hazardous tasks. According to a report by the McKinsey Global Institute, by 2030, up to 20 million manufacturing jobs worldwide could be replaced by robots. Jobs such as assembly line workers, machine operators, and quality control inspectors are particularly vulnerable. Moving on to transportation and logistics, this sector is undergoing a profound transformation with the advent of autonomous vehicles and drones. Self-driving trucks and delivery drones promise to enhance efficiency and reduce costs, but at the expense of human jobs. A study by the American Trucking Associations estimates that autonomous trucks could replace up to 3.5 million truck drivers in the United States alone within the next decade. Similarly, warehouse automation technologies such as those employed by Amazon are reducing the need for human labor in logistics. In the retail sector, AI is reshaping operations through automation and advanced data analytics. Cashiers, stock clerks, and customer service representatives are increasingly being replaced by self-checkout systems, automated inventory management, and AI-powered chatbots. A 2020 report by PwC predicts that up to 30% of retail jobs could be automated by 2030. Turning to financial services, AI is transforming this sector by automating tasks such as data entry, risk assessment, and even investment decisions. Jobs in areas like bookkeeping, data analysis, and customer service are particularly at risk. According to the World Economic Forum, AI could displace around 1.3 million jobs in financial services globally by 2025. Lastly, in healthcare, while AI has the potential to significantly improve healthcare delivery, it also poses a threat to certain jobs within the sector. Radiologists, pathologists, and medical transcriptionists are among those whose roles are being impacted by AI's ability to analyze medical images and transcribe notes more efficiently and accurately. A study by Oxford University estimates that 35% of healthcare administration jobs could be automated by 2030. The integration of AI into various sectors will not only lead to job displacement, but will also change the nature of many remaining jobs. Here are some key changes. Increased demand for high-skill jobs. As AI takes over routine and manual tasks, there will be a growing demand for high-skilled jobs that require creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. Positions such as AI specialists, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts will see significant growth. According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2020, roles in AI and data science are expected to grow by 16% annually. Lifelong learning and reskilling. The rapid pace of AI development will necessitate continuous learning and reskilling. Traditional education systems will need to evolve to focus more on digital literacy, critical thinking, and adaptability. Companies will need to invest in ongoing training programs to help their employees keep up with technological advancements. A report by the McKinsey Global Institute highlights that up to 375 million workers worldwide may need to switch occupational categories and learn new skills by 2030. Hybrid work environments. AI will enable more flexible and remote working arrangements. With AI-driven tools for project management, communication, and collaboration, employees can work from anywhere, leading to a rise in hybrid work environments. This shift will require new management practices, and a focus on digital infrastructure to support remote teams effectively. Unemployment and inequality. The displacement of jobs by AI will lead to significant unemployment, particularly among low-skilled workers. This could exacerbate income inequality and lead to social unrest. According to the International Labor Organization, global unemployment could rise by 25 million due to AI and automation by 2030. The disparity between those who can adapt to the new job market and those who cannot will widen, creating a socio-economic divide. Psychological impact. The loss of jobs and the rapid pace of change can lead to significant psychological stress for workers. The fear of unemployment and the need to constantly update skills can result in anxiety and mental health issues. A survey by the American Psychological Association found that 61% of workers fear job loss due to automation, highlighting the widespread concern about the future of work. Social cohesion and stability. The rapid changes brought about by AI could challenge social cohesion. Communities heavily reliant on industries susceptible to automation may face economic decline, leading to increased migration and urbanization. This can strain public services and infrastructure in urban areas, while rural areas may suffer from depopulation and economic stagnation. The next 10 to 15 years will witness profound changes in the job market due to the rise of AI. Sectors such as manufacturing, transportation, retail, financial services, and healthcare will experience significant job displacement. The new reality of work will demand higher skills, continuous learning, and adaptable work environments. However, these advancements will also bring about substantial social problems, including unemployment, inequality, psychological stress, and challenges to social cohesion. As we navigate this transition, it is crucial for policymakers, businesses, and educational institutions to work together to mitigate the negative impacts of AI. Strategies such as investing in education and reskilling programs, implementing social safety nets, and fostering inclusive growth will be essential in ensuring that the benefits of AI are broadly shared and that society can adapt to the inevitable changes ahead. Healthcare. The shifting roles of doctors and nurses. AI is poised to significantly impact the healthcare sector, particularly in the roles of doctors and nurses. Many tasks traditionally performed by doctors, such as diagnosis, prescription, and patient consultations, will increasingly be taken over by AI systems. AI in diagnosis and prescriptions. AI-powered diagnostic tools are capable of analyzing medical images, lab results, and patient histories with high accuracy. For example, IBM's Watson Health and Google's DeepMind are already demonstrating superior performance in diagnosing diseases such as cancer and retinal conditions. These systems can recommend treatment plans and prescribe medications based on vast datasets and clinical guidelines. Impact on doctors. As AI takes over these tasks, the role of doctors will shift from routine diagnosis and prescriptions to more complex and specialized care. This transition could lead to a reduction in the number of general practitioners, with a greater emphasis on specialists who oversee AI diagnostics and provide advanced treatments. The demand for traditional doctor roles may decrease, and their pay grades could be adjusted accordingly. Elevated role of nurses. Conversely, nurses are less likely to be replaced by AI due to the hands-on nature of their work, which includes patient care, emotional support, and physical tasks, such as administering medication and monitoring patient recovery. As the healthcare system becomes more reliant on AI for diagnostic tasks, the importance of nurses will increase, potentially leading to higher pay grades and an elevated status within the healthcare hierarchy. Nurses may also take on more responsibilities in managing AI tools and interpreting their outputs for patient care. Construction, the resilience of carpenters and plumbers. In the construction industry, the impact of AI will vary significantly across different professions. While engineers and architects are likely to see major changes, carpenters and plumbers will be less affected. AI in engineering and architecture. AI-driven software is transforming the fields of engineering and architecture by automating tasks such as structural analysis, design optimization, and project management. Tools like Autodesk's BIM 360 and AI algorithms for generative design can produce complex architectural plans and structural blueprints more efficiently than human designers. This will reduce the demand for human architects and engineers, potentially lowering their job availability and wages. Resilient roles of carpenters and plumbers. In contrast, carpentry and plumbing involve intricate manual skills and on-site problem-solving that are difficult to automate. Carpenters craft and install structures, fittings, and furniture, while plumbers handle the installation and repair of water systems. These roles require dexterity, creativity, and adaptability to varied job sites, making them less susceptible to automation. As a result, carpenters and plumbers may see an increase in demand and potentially higher wages, elevating their status in the construction industry. Financial services, the transformation of analysts and advisors. The financial services sector is another area where AI is expected to bring significant changes, particularly affecting financial analysts and advisors. AI in financial analysis and advising. AI algorithms are capable of analyzing vast datasets, identifying investment opportunities, and managing portfolios. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront provide automated investment advice and portfolio management at a fraction of the cost of human advisors. AI systems can also detect fraudulent activities and perform risk assessments with high accuracy. Impact on financial analysts. The widespread adoption of AI in financial analysis and advising will reduce the need for human analysts and advisors who traditionally performed these tasks. This could lead to a decrease in the number of jobs available in these roles and lower compensation for remaining positions. Financial analysts may need to shift their focus to overseeing AI systems, providing specialized advice, or working in areas where human judgment is still crucial. Increased importance of compliance and regulatory roles. On the other hand, roles related to compliance, regulatory oversight, and ethical AI use will become more important. Ensuring that AI systems comply with legal standards and ethical guidelines will require human expertise, leading to new job opportunities and potentially higher wages in these areas. Social problems and disruptions, economic inequality, and job displacement. The displacement of jobs by AI will disproportionately affect low-skilled workers, exacerbating economic inequality. Workers in sectors like manufacturing, retail, and transportation, where routine tasks are prevalent, are particularly vulnerable. According to the McKinsey Global Institute, 60% of all occupations have at least 30% of activities that could be automated with currently demonstrated technologies. Economic inequality. As AI-driven automation takes over low-skilled jobs, workers displaced from these roles may struggle to find new employment opportunities, leading to increased poverty and social stratification. High-skilled jobs requiring advanced education and specialized training will be in higher demand, creating a significant wage gap between high-skill and low-skill workers. Job displacement. The transition period for displaced workers will be challenging. Many may face long-term unemployment or underemployment, especially if they lack the resources or ability to retrain for new roles. This could lead to a rise in social unrest and political instability, as affected populations demand government intervention and support. Psychological stress and mental health issues. The rapid pace of technological change and the uncertainty surrounding job security can lead to significant psychological stress for workers. The fear of obsolescence and the need for continuous learning can contribute to mental health issues such as anxiety and depression. Mental health impact. A study by the American Psychological Association found that 64% of Americans cited work as a significant source of stress, with fears about job security due to automation contributing to this anxiety. The constant pressure to adapt and upskill can create a sense of inadequacy and burnout among workers. Workplace support. To mitigate these effects, companies will need to provide mental health support and create a supportive work environment. This includes offering counseling services, promoting work-life balance, and ensuring transparent communication about AI integration and its impact on job roles, social cohesion, and community disruption. The widespread adoption of AI and the resulting job displacement can disrupt social cohesion and community stability. Regions heavily dependent on industries susceptible to automation, such as manufacturing hubs, may experience economic decline, leading to population shifts and urbanization. Community disruption. Rural and industrial areas may face significant economic challenges as jobs disappear, leading to increased migration to urban centers. This can strain urban infrastructure and public services, while rural areas may experience depopulation and a loss of community identity. Policy interventions. Addressing these disruptions will require coordinated policy interventions, including investment in regional economic development, support for small businesses, and infrastructure improvements. Governments will need to create programs that foster job creation in affected areas and provide social safety nets for displaced workers. The integration of AI into various sectors over the next 10 to 15 years will bring about profound changes in the job market and societal structure. While many jobs in healthcare, construction, and financial services will be transformed or displaced, new opportunities will arise in high-skill roles, compliance, and regulatory oversight. However, these advancements will also lead to significant social problems, including economic inequality, psychological stress, and community disruption. To navigate this transition, it is crucial for policymakers, businesses, and educational institutions to work together to mitigate the negative impacts of AI. Strategies such as investing in education and reskilling programs, implementing social safety nets, and fostering inclusive growth will be essential in ensuring that the benefits of AI are broadly shared and that society can adapt to the inevitable changes ahead. By proactively addressing these challenges, we can build a future where AI serves as a catalyst for positive change, driving progress and prosperity while minimizing social disruptions. The path forward will require careful planning, collaboration, and a commitment to creating a fair and equitable society in the age of AI.